if you want to become rich, please keep in mind. Sorry if this hurts you, but actually this is the reality. In the 1960s, a study was held in Stanford University that showed a very great revelation.
What's your secret?
Till date, it is a very great revelation. Hello guys, good to see you all on a new video. Hope you all had a very good day. In today's video, we are going to see how the rich get richer and how the poor become poorer. At the end of the video, we'll have some solution that how even you can become richer. If you're new to this channel, please press the red subscribe button. The rich people have some mindset and some habits which they cultivate from their childhood, or if they are born rich, they have these mindset and habits from their childhood. If they are a new generation rich people, they cultivate it by learning from these kind of videos which we make to become rich, and by learning from other rich people by studying their life. One mindset that affects the poor and rich is that in the 1960s, a study was held in Stanford University that showed a very great revelation. Till date, it is a very great revelation how the rich are rich and the poor are becoming poorer. It is because of the main one thing which you can master is delayed gratification. Do you buy your electronic appliances and your gadgets in EMI, and then this is a bad habit of a middle class or a poor mindset. Sorry if this hurts you, but actually this is the reality. And if you want to come out of poverty, or if you want to become rich, please keep in mind, don't buy things on EMI. Let it be anything. Please do start cultivating this habit of delayed gratification. I think I have made a separate video on that. To watch that, please click over here after watching this video. And that is nothing but, if you want to buy something or if you want to do something, delay it and take it or buy it after some time, because during that delay you will realize that do you really want that product, or you are simply craving because your neighbor has bought it. And another thing is, if you delay it, obviously you won't spend your money on unwanted interests by paying to the banks through EMI. You might ask, it is just a matter of money, it is just a small amount of money. It is a habit, right? If you keep doing that little by little, it has taken most of your money in your lifetime. So please do remember that don't buy things on EMI, and save that money for some time and buy it after some time. Have a more greater pleasure that you have saved the money and bought that product, and you will realize that you really want that product or not. This is the great strategy with which the rich use, and this is nothing to blame the poor or the middle class, because this kind of mindset is deeply rooted. It is because of scarcity. Most of the time, a poor will not get many things so easily. If he gets something in front of him, he will always think that he should grab it at any cost. He should grab it at the moment he sees it, because the poor has been brought into a scarcity mindset. If he misses this deal, or if he misses this thing which is in front of his eyes this time, it is never going to come to him. This is the mindset which is making you poorer, but actually rooted deeply into you without your knowledge. So please do cultivate delayed gratification. This will make you rich. And as I told you, the bonus point, how to become rich using a credit card. The rich people use credit card not to buy things which they cannot afford. They use credit cards to get rewards and cashbacks to save money. You might ask, it is only a small amount of money. As I told you, it is a habit. When you keep doing it, in the long run you would have saved a lot of money. And another thing is building credit score, that if you build your credit score, you will get in loans in less interest rates. And you might ask, you told not to buy anything on EMI, but some things are good to buy in EMI. If you want more deeper understanding on this, please do request in the comment section for a separate video on how to become rich using a credit card and loans, because sometimes like a home loan or some kind of loans can give you a tax break, so you can leverage this to save money. And another thing is, when you build your credit score by using your credit card or your credit card regularly and paying it back on time with the disciplined manner, only then you can get a very good credit score, loans with very less interest rates. So I hope you all had very good value through this video, and thank you for watching this video till the end. And I also thank you for pressing the like button. This video is going to reach many more people, and many more people are going to get rich because of you. And this is Naveen signing out from Naveenathon. We also have sponsor of this video, SBI cards.
नोकी SBI कार्ड खुशियों का क्रेडिट कार्ड.
You might ask, some people tell that having a credit card is a bad idea. Even I might have told, but if you have a good financial discipline, having a credit card is a very smart idea. You can receive good rewards, have many good financial benefits. If you want to get a SBI credit card, please press the link in the description so that we can get a small support. Use this link, this SBI, simply click credit card.